We like to think that love is a mystery of the heart, or a magical spark that happens by chance. But if we look under the surface, a man's attraction is actually driven by a very complex biological machine. When a man becomes truly interested in a woman, it is not just a random feeling. It is his brain responding to millions of years of evolutionary coding. To understand what creates a deep, lasting interest, we have to move past surface-level dating advice and look at the neuroscience and psychology that govern human behavior. It all starts in the oldest part of the human brain, often called the lizard brain, which cares about one thing above all else: survival and reproduction. When a man first encounters a woman, his visual cortex and testosterone levels perform a lightning-fast scan. This isn't just about looking at someone's face, it is a biological calculation. His brain is looking for signals of health and genetic strength to ensure his legacy continues. However, a visual spark is only the beginning. There is a massive difference between lust and true interest. Lust is driven by a quick burst of testosterone, but true interest involves the brain's reward system. This is where dopamine comes into play, the chemical of more and the chemical of anticipation. Science shows us that a man's brain is actually more active when he is pursuing something than when he has it. This is why mystery is so powerful. When a woman is predictable, the dopamine levels begin to drop. When her every move is an open book, the brain feels the puzzle has been solved. But when he has to work to understand her, his brain releases massive amounts of dopamine. This creates a loop where he is biologically driven to seek her out. In the world of biology, value is signaled through behavior, not just words. Neediness is a major repellent because the male brain interprets it as low social value. Confidence is the ultimate signal. It shows she doesn't need a man to feel complete. As the interaction moves forward, the brain transitions from dopamine attraction to oxytocin attachment. Oxytocin is the bonding hormone. It creates the feeling of safety and emotional connection. For a man to move into deep interest, he needs to feel a sense of emotional security. If a woman can balance mystery with warmth, she creates a powerful chemical cocktail in his mind. To keep interest, there must be novelty. A woman with an evolving, independent life provides that constant discovery. Men seek a partner who is strong enough for life's challenges, but calm enough to be a sanctuary. The more a man invests his energy in a woman, the more his brain justifies her high value. True interest is more than a feeling. It is a devotion written into his very biology. It is the language of the human mind, a resonance of who we are, proving that attraction is a signal of finding someone who makes life feel more vibrant.